Most people work hard every single day. They wake up early, go to work, and come home tired. Yet at the end of the month, they still struggle with money. This is not because they are lazy. This is not because they are unlucky. The real reason is something nobody teaches us in school: money mindset. The truth is, money does not come from hard work alone. It comes from how you think, how you decide, and how you act. In this video, I will explain why most people stay poor, even though they work hard, and how you can start thinking differently to change your financial future.
We are taught one big lie since childhood. Work hard and you will become successful. But look around you. Millions of people work extremely hard every day, yet only a few become wealthy. Hard work without direction only keeps you busy. It does not make you rich. Rich people do not work harder than everyone else. They work smarter. They focus on learning valuable skills, building systems, and creating opportunities. Poor mindset trades time for money. Rich mindset builds assets that make money automatically. This is the first difference you must understand if you want to escape the money trap.
The biggest trap most people fall into is the salary mindset. You get paid, you pay bills, you spend what is left, and then you wait for the next paycheck. When income increases, expenses increase too. New phone, better clothes, more lifestyle spending. This cycle never ends. Most people think, I will invest when I earn more. But rich people think differently. They say, I invest first so I can earn more. This simple mindset shift changes everything.
Poor mindset focuses on spending money. Rich mindset focuses on controlling expenses. Rich people track where their money goes. They plan before they spend. They understand one important rule: money should work for you, not the other way around. Even a small amount invested consistently can grow into something big over time. You do not need a high salary to start investing. You need discipline and patience. People stay poor not because they earn less, but because they never learn how to manage what they earn. Wealth starts with control, not income.
Rich people ask better questions. They ask, how can I create value? How can I solve problems? How can I grow? Poor mindset asks, how do I survive this month? Rich people delay gratification. They sacrifice comfort today for freedom tomorrow. They understand that success is built by small daily habits. What you watch every day, what you learn every day, and who you listen to every day shapes your financial future. Your thoughts today create your results tomorrow.
Wealth is not built overnight. It is built slowly and consistently. Rich people focus on habits, reading, learning, improving skills. Poor mindset looks for shortcuts, get-rich-quick ideas, easy money promises. But real wealth comes from discipline. If you improve just 1% every day, your life will completely change over time. Money rewards patience, not emotions. The earlier you start building good habits, the faster your financial life will improve. Small actions today lead to big results tomorrow.
The good news is this: your past does not define your future. You can change your mindset. You can learn new skills. You can take control of your money. You do not need to be rich to start. You need to start to become rich. Every successful person was once where you are today. The difference is they decided to think differently and act smarter. Your financial future is created by the decisions you make starting today. If you want to change your financial life, it starts with changing how you think. This channel is here to help you build the right mindset, learn smart money habits, and create a better future. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Think Rich, Act Smart for more videos on money,
mindset, and success. Remember this: rich people think differently. Smart people act differently. Start today. Your future self will thank you.